back to another video. This is Asta with PayMeGPT, and today I'm going to show you on how to use the landing page builder and also on how to embed an agent directly into your landing page. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Alright, so as you can see, we're here in PayMeGPT. This is the dashboard. This is where you see everything. So all the information such as active agents, total revenue, unique contacts, and messages. Plus a bunch of information about top countries, regions, cities, you name it. Everything's here. So today, what we're going to look at is the landing page builder. And I tell you, this is one of the most gangster landing page builders I've ever seen. The first thing you want to do is head over to Tools. And in Tools, you want to look for Landing Page Builder. Simply click on Open Tool. And this is where you set up. I already have a few of them out here, but I'm going to start one right from scratch just to show you exactly how this is being set up and how easy it is to actually use. So the first thing we want to do is create a new page. Now here we have a bunch of different tabs at the top, such as Live Preview, which is currently not available, Visual Editor, Code Editor, and AI Generator. So again, the Live Preview is currently not available because we haven't saved and published it yet. Now the first thing that I would do, this is fully customizable right here, is head on over to the AI Generator, and I'm going to say something really simple. I'm literally going to say, create a landing page for a coffee shop named Best Brews. Make it super nice. I'm gonna say this, like, make this really, really basic. Make this super nice. Let's say modern feel, modern and clean. That's all. And I'm just gonna hit. Now you can choose the content length, so standard and balanced. You got different options here, such as quick and simple, so minimal content, which is a lot faster. Standard, which is balanced content, and then comprehensive, so that's detailed, full featured. I'm just gonna stick with standard for this one and hit generate. Now it's gonna take a few seconds. I'm actually gonna speed this part up of the video. So just so that it's done, it says content generated, AI has successfully generated your content, switch to code editor. So this is now everything right here, completely automated for you. Don't know how to do this, manually, so it did it for me. It took about maybe 60 seconds or so. And now, very important, let's just give it a name. I'm going to say coffee brew or coffee shop, and then click save. Save and save page. Now from here, what we want to do is head back out, and then we'll have ours right here. Click the three dots and hit publish. Now, once it's published, you just hit the little I to preview it. Now let's see what this looks like. Boom, just like that. Welcome to Best Brews. Experience the finest coffee crafted with passion, served with love. Every cup tells a story of quality and excellence. So we got all of the information here. So we have the different prices. Of course, you can give in, your own information about the shop, or if it's your coffee shop or your client's coffee shop, provide as much detail as you want, and it'll create based off that. And then we've got like our story. It's created everything for us, but not bad for a very simple prompt. You can even see we have some little animations happening in the back here. That's incredible. So yeah, even these work. Menu, about, contact, home. Now, this is as easy as it is to create a landing page. So I'm going to create an agent. So let's head over to agents. And I'm simply just going to click on new. I already have a few here. I'm going to click on new. And we're going to make this really, really simple. So basic information first. The widget name, I'm going to have it as coffee brew chat. Okay, and then we've got, let's just say coffee brew, SEO title, best coffee brew. Yes, we've got SEO features right in here. So we got the whole SEO title, SEO description. It's insane. So meta description for search engines, if empty, users welcome message. So yeah, we got all the things. By appearance, we can completely customize this how we want. Actually, I want a more brown color. Actually, that's fine. Let's stick with that. I don't need a custom avatar for this or background. This is all good. Yeah. For the text, we'll keep this the way it is. Load conversations. Yeah, we have all of the options here. We'll make this one an easy one. So let's go over to AI settings. And here we'll just keep it on OpenAI. PayMeGPT stream latest, the fastest LLM for real-time dynamic content. And then we can keep all this good. All we have to do now is where it says prompt engineering. Literally the welcome message, we can say something like, hello, how can I help you today? Hello, let's just say hello, welcome to Coffee Brew. what can we do for you? A little rhyme in there and everything. You are James and are responsible for everything coffee related. Okay, so if you don't know what to really put into the prompt, you can even click on generate prompt here and just give it a bit of more information, and the AI will do it for you, and then you can customize it. You have a bunch of other options such as uploading files, MCP, everything that you can think of, we have it here. Now let's run down. Okay, let's create this widget. This is a super basic widget. I'll make another video on actually creating a more in-depth tutorial on creating a widget, but for this one we want to keep it super simple. I'm just going to preview this really quickly, and here it is. It's a welcome to coffee, what can I do for you? Who are you? Should say it's James, so that we know that it's pulling the relevant information. I'm James. Okay, perfect. So it's giving me the whole thing, the whole shebangs. Let's close it out. Let's grab this, right? IFRAME right here. Head back to tools, go to landing page builder, and I want to create a brand new one for this. I'm literally just going to go to AI generator and say create a landing page for a business called Coffee Brew. These are all $5 and they have only and te. I don't even know. Latte. I think that's how you spell it. Yeah, there we go. Please embed this at window in the center of the page in the best spot you think. This is honestly like me being really messy with it. But yeah, let's just generate content and see what this gets back with. And boom, just like that, you can see content generated. That took about 60, 65, 70 seconds. Let's click save. Give it a name, and we can call this the Coffee Brew 0.2. Click save page, and head back out, and we want to publish this. So it's this one right here. Publish, and then preview. So you can even see like how many people have viewed this particular landing page, which is amazing. I love making sure that I can track all my stuff. But yeah, let's preview this one and see what it gives us. Welcome to Coffee Brew. Experience the perfect cup every time. So it's given me, I mean, look at that. Come on, right? For something that quick, I do not know anyone who can design a landing page like this with that amount of time. What, under a couple of minutes? That's crazy. So anyways, here we have the chat. Coffee Brew chat. Hello, welcome to Coffee Brew. What can we do for you? I love that. We can say something like, what's so special about a coffee? Now, the thing is, this is not customized yet. I haven't customized anything. I haven't put any information in about the coffee business or anything like that. So as you can see, it's giving us all of the information that it just knows from the LLM based on the question I asked. Or I did tell it that it's an expert on coffee. So health benefits, versatility in brewing. So it's giving us everything. Now imagine this. You're going to a customer, you're going to a business down the road and say, hey, I can build out this super gangster landing page for you that has this embedded web chat, right? Where people can just ask questions about your business. And they can come in, they can say, hey, do you have this? What are your opening times? What are your policies and such? And your team never has to do anything. It's just being handled, right? I built this out, this example, within a couple of minutes. Now, if I put, let's say, half an hour into this with all the information I get from the client, I mean, I'm just saying, I'm hearing the things in the air right now. But anyways, yes. So yeah, just look at how beautiful this is. Super quickly built as well. You won't have anyone build a landing page like this under 5 minutes. It's just not possible, right? That's what AI is for. And with PayMeGPT, you can see, right? So let me refresh this landing pages. You can see how many views you get. You can see the actual hits, right? So yeah, so if I head back over to dashboard, I can scroll down and I can see how many people are talking to all of my different agents. Let's say premium coffee brew chat. Let's say one more thing like, hey, and then I'm gonna head back here and we can see coffee brew chat. Let me refresh and it'll update the counter live, right? So we have coffee brew chat, unique contacts 1, which is just me because I'm testing it, conversations 1, messages 7, total events just 1. So you have all your analytics here and you can see exactly what cities, regions, or countries are hitting the most on it. I hope this helped you understand at least the basics of how to set up a landing page, how you can grab an agent that you've created and then just embed it into your landing page, and then maybe give it forth to your customer, your friends, or your clients, and they can test that for themselves. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them, and join our communities. I'll leave them also down in the comments below. Without further ado, we got more videos coming out. I hope you have an amazing rest of your next month, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.